Hi guys, my name's Jade. Welcome to my channel if you're new, or if you are returning to my channel, then welcome back to my channel. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I have recently become a Glossybox Ambassador, which I cannot even believe. I'm so excited and so grateful. So I'm going to be unboxing today my first ever Glossybox, and obviously it's this month, so for November. And I'm super excited to be unboxing it. But before we do get into today's video, guys, I do have a discount code as well, which I will leave on the screen here for you guys. If you aren't subscribed to Glossybox and you want to subscribe, if you use my discount code, you can get your first box for £11.50. So you're saving yourself some money and getting lots and lots of goodies. So without further ado, guys, let's just jump straight in and see what is in this month's Glossybox. Who wouldn't want a box of treats every month of like makeup products and stuff? Like, yes. So it comes like this. You've got your little pamphlet here, and I do believe that they do give you a sneak peek as what's in next month's box. So inside it tells you everything that you get and a little bit more information about them and how much they cost, and yeah, so they give you a little sneak peek. So let's dive straight in and let's see. We've got some really nice things in here, guys. So first off, we have this eyeshadow palette, and you're not going to be able to see that because of the light, but it's obviously gold packaging. It's by the brand LA Splash, so I'm going to take it out the sleeve, and that's really gorgeous packaging. So this eyeshadow palette retails for £29, and you can buy it on obviously lasplashcosmetics.com. It's their Mystical Forces palette, highly pigmented, pressed powder shadows, easy application, minimal fallout. Okay, so I've just opened the packet and I'm going to have to be really careful because one of my shades is broke. So as you can see, I'm gonna have to be really careful so I don't get like eyeshadow on the floor. But one of the shades is broke, which is so sad. Just looking at that, the shades look so nice. That would have been a really nice shade. I mean, you could probably salvage that and kind of put it back together. I'm sure I've seen someone do that, like on TikTok or something, you know, where they like restore the palette, they do the shadow and put it back together. But gorgeous little palette there for £29. So yeah, that's a first product. That's a really good start. So yeah, I'm happy about that. So next up we have a brand called Generation Clay, and this is their ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. Never heard of this brand before, but I really love the packaging. It looks really nice, even though it's just like simple purple packaging. It looks really nice. This is full size. The full size retails for £40.21, and you can get the deluxe mini size, which is 50ml, worth £19.32. And you can buy this on their website, generationclay.com. This looks and sounds fantastic. So it's going to refine, brighten, illuminate, and it's and nurture your skin. So it's cruelty free, guys. And yeah, so this is what the product looks like. So it's quite thick, like obviously like a clay mask, really nice purple. So oh, you can smell that it's like a clay mask. I love clay masks. They're so nice. Yeah, oh, really like that. I think I will be putting that on my face before bed tonight. So yeah, really nice product. I like that. What do we have next? Oh, so we have a makeup brush. We have a makeup brush from Spectrum brushes. These are meant to be really nice. I've never used Spectrum brushes before. This is a limited edition BO7 brush. This is a tall crease blender brush. This is from the Zodiac collection. I'm guessing, like it says there, it's a limited edition. So this is £7.99 and you can buy it on their website. So let's open it and see what it looks like. If I can get it out, that is, guys. So yeah, so we've got a nice brush there, a nice like tapered crease, fluffy crease brush. So that's obviously a full-size product. As I say, I've never used Spectrum brushes before, but I've really heard good things about them and they're supposed to be really, really good. But that feels so, so fluffy. So it's obviously synthetic, it's super soft, and it's going to add, it's perfect to add definition to other worldly makeup. So it's a tall, pointed blender brush. So the theme for this month is makeup and magic, which is why everything is kind of like you know, like zodiac theme. So yeah, we have a little brush, which is fantastic because you'll be able to do your eyeshadow with that brush now. So you'll be able to use that palette with that brush, which is just great. So next up, guys, we have a mask. Is this, I'm guessing this, oh, this is for your hair. So this is an argan oil repairing deep conditioner. So we have a mask, and yeah, so this is the brand Hask, so like hair mask, Hask. And this retails for £2 and you can buy it on Hask Beauty. I'm sure I've seen these before. I am sure I have seen this product before, like this brand. I want to say I've seen it in like, is it Home Bargains or like Primark or something. I've definitely seen it in like a Boots or something. I've definitely seen it before. So obviously this is full size. It's an argan oil repairing deep conditioner formulated with organic argan oil unique to Morocco. The deep conditioner will turn dry damaged hair into luscious locks as if by magic. So that sounds really good. I love a mask, a hair mask. I've recently been using them a lot more in my hair and definitely can tell the difference. So yeah, I'm excited to try that on my hair. So the last product, we have a mask, a purple moonstone glitter gel mask. So we have another face mask. This is by a brand called Cubella Professional. Cubella. This is a recharge and restore moonstone glitter mask. This retails for £2.49. So this retails for £2.50 and you can buy it on their website. It is dermatologically tested. So yeah, I've never heard of this brand either, so I'm excited to try this. I love a good face mask. We have two face masks and a hair mask. Oh, we're gonna have really nice face, really nice skin and hair. So this month's box is perfect for like a little pamper. So yes, this is super for vegans, just wanted to point out, it's charcoal powder, sodium hyaluronate. It's got caffeine in there, moonstone extract. It just says, use this hydrating mask to help leave your skin looking radiant. Containing skin conditioning caffeine and cleansing charcoal powder. It will help rejuvenate and revive the skin, enriched with moonstone extract and glitter particles. Interesting, never heard of anything like that before. Oh wow, so you can actually see what it looks like there. So it's very bright purple, so that's interesting. Love a good face mask. So that was everything in November's Glossy box. I feel like it's a really good box. Like, it's definitely the perfect box for the present, like this month, especially because here in the UK we are in another lockdown. So we are in our second national lockdown. I think we've just done week 2, or we're in week 2. It literally feels like we've been in lockdown for ages, but it's not. I'm pretty sure we are going into like the 3rd week, so it's going to be over like soon, hopefully. It's dragging. So yeah, this box would be perfect. It's the perfect box for this month because we are indoors and we've got a lot of time on our hands, so we've got a lot of time to pamper ourselves. So it's the perfect box for November. But I hope that you did enjoy this video, guys. Don't forget, if you want to save yourself some money on your first box, to use my discount code. I will leave it on the screen and also in the description box as well. But if you did enjoy this video, guys, make sure that you do give it a massive thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.